Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. The law of the Lord is perfect, restoring the soul. The unfolding of thy word gives light. The law of the Lord is perfect, restoring the soul. For consider him who endures such hostility by sinners. For consider him who endures such hostility by sinners. For I do not want you, brethren, to be uninformed of this mystery. I want you, brethren, to be uninformed of this mystery. Revelation that I read. That by revelation it was made known to me. Because the revelation that I read. But the natural man does not accept the things of the Spirit of God. That by revelation it was made known to me. But the natural man does not accept the things of the Spirit of God,